गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक आफ्टर अ नाइस ब्रेक. होप आप सब बिल्कुल ठीक हैं एंड यू हैव डन ऑल द वर्क sincerely. Now again we come to our routine work. I'm starting the new chapter of science, that is combustion and flame. Before this chapter we have done the coal and petroleum, which was also related to the combustion or the burning of fuel. In this we will study in detail the chapter combustion and flame. First of all, you must know what is combustion. Combustion is a chemical process in which a fuel burn in presence of oxygen and produce heat, light, and in some cases the sound is also produced. Now student, you must know, I have used the term here fuel. What is a fuel? A fuel is a substance that burns. You know, in the previous chapter we have done the various fuel, that is LPG, CNG, coal, petrol, petroleum, diesel, so many. Now, in these fuels, the solid fuel coal does not produce the flame. Remember it. Now, there are two types of substances. One is the combustible substance and other is the non-combustible substance. What is the combustible substance? The combustible substances are those which catch the fire. And non-combustible substances are those that when we supply the heat to these type of substances, they does not catch the fire. When you supply the heat to sand, is it catch the fire? No. So the sand is a type of non-combustible substance. When you supply the heat to the petroleum, to the LPG or to the CNG, they will catch the fire. So these are called the combustible substances. Now you know that in some cases, if we take the example of LPG, LPG is the liquefied petroleum gas which you burn at your home. When you burn the LPGs, produce the heat. And you know that with the burning of LPG, certain light is also produces. When flame is there, when we burn the coal, the heat is produced when we burn the coal, but there is no flame produced. So the different type of fuel produce flame, they produce heat, and some produce the sound. Now we come to the next. What are the types of combustion? There are different types of combustion. First one is the explosive combustion. What do you mean by the explosive combustion? You have heard about the explosion. You know, very common term, explosion. When a substance burns, a combustible substance burns, and large amount of heat and light is produced, and sometimes sound is also produced, that type of combustion is called the explosive combustion. Burning of crackers, burning of bombs, that this is the explosive combustion. Second is spontaneous combustion. Spontaneous लगातार होता जाता है जो. The spontaneous combustion is the combustion in which the combustion takes place and heat is produced and the flame is also produced. The burning of mastic is the example of spontaneous combustion. Third is the rapid combustion. As the name indicates, beta ji, what is rapid combustion? Rapid combustion is the combustion in which a small spark is enough to produce the combustion, and heat and light is produced in short interval of time, that is burning of LPG. Even you give a small heat to LPG or the petrol, immediately heat and light is produced, the combustion start, that is called the rapid combustion. Now the next is slow combustion. What is slow combustion? The combustion, very important, beta ji, this is very important, the combustion in which no light is produced. No light, only the heat is produced, that is called the slow combustion. As the name indicates, it takes place very slowly. Example is digestion of food. The digestion of food is a chemical process, is a type of combustion, because when the food is digested slowly, the heat is produced, the energy is produced. But when you eat the food, beta, there is no light produced in your body. The energy and the heat is produced. Now the conditions for combustion. There are three conditions of combustion. The first one is the presence of combustible substance. Because you know that if there will be no combustible substance, there will be no combustion, because the non-combustible substance will not catch the fire. Second, very important, is supporter of combustion. Supporter of combustion. What do you mean by supporter of combustion? You know that everything burns in the presence of oxygen. So the oxygen is necessary for burning. If there is no oxygen, no burning. So the supporter of oxygen is very necessary for combustion. This is one of the very important part of the combustion. Now the third one, that is ignition temperature. What do you mean by the ignition temperature? The temperature at which we have to heat a combustible substance, at which it gets the fire, or the minimum temperature at which any combustible substance catch the fire is called the ignition temperature. You know that all the fuels have different ignition temperature. If you burn the coal, you burn the wood, or you burn the fuel like LPG, which will catch the fire immediately? LPG, petrol and diesel. So why they catch the fire? Because they have low ignition temperature. The minimum temperature up to which we have to heat a substance to catch the fire is called the ignition temperature. Coal and wood will take the time to catch the fire. So these are the three conditions. अगर हम combustible substance को उसके ignition temperature तक heat नहीं करेंगे, then it will not get the fire, then it will not catch the fire and it will not start burning. So the three condition is ignition temperature, then heating up to ignition temperature, presence of combustible substance and supporter of oxygen. So beta ji, you have to read the chapter from the book up to the page 87. You have to read the chapter from the book up to the page 87, and you have to solve the exercise. You have to solve the exercise. I'm sending the question answer, and you have to write in the notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.